beautiful butterflies. I'm eating breakfast. I have avocados and this makes me so happy. I'm also trying some oat milk, this oat milk that I got yesterday in a nice little Swedish mug that says I love you and go camping and other things that I can't read and I had to have my friends translate. And then there's also melon, a whole bunch of fresh fruits and veggies. So good morning. I hope your day is off to a beautiful start. If you have a chance, eat something fresh right now. Look at it! It's snowing! It's snowing in Sweden. It's snowing in Sweden. These are huge snowflakes. Wow. Wow. Oh, it is cold out here. Look at how beautiful this is. I swear to God, the second that I got off the plane, I was like, this is a fairy tale land. Can I be a special snowflake? No two snowflakes are the same. I want to be special. Tell me I'm special. Oh, look at I'm special. Tell me I'm special. Oh, I just kind of want to do a dance, but I know that I'll regret it because then I'll be cold. Oh. Be going to a little holiday dinner thing. I'm also going to be doing a live stream. I just wanted to show you the makeup that I'm using. For foundation, literally all I did was primer from Alia.com, which is a natural brand, as well as the Physicians Formula powder. This is also what I'm using. The Naked Heat palette, you know, is an amazing eye palette. Becca, that's all I'm really using for my eyes. This is the Dream Big palette from Tarte. There's this gold and this really nice cranberry color that are amazing. These are super long lasting. I got my Pure Cosmetics unicorn brush. This is Hikari, which is the nice bronzer that I'm wearing. It has a little bit of a purple tint to it. It's like a purple marbled bronzer. This stuff is thebomb.com. And then I have a bunch of other stuff that like I can play with, but I haven't totally decided on yet. That's the face. So the makeup has been completed. This is the live stream. It's about to happen. I am going to freeze out on the back deck and do a little live stream. I look so put together. It's just an amalgamation of blankets to stay warm. I just filmed Caffeinated with Cassandra out here. It was great until I dropped a lipstick off of the balcony because such is life. Got all of the little gifts that I recommended, and if you didn't see the live stream, I'll link it to you. Really quick overview of the gifts. Basically cruelty-free stocking stuffers and last-minute gifts that are inexpensive. Pacifica perfumes that are natural. This is $18 on sale for 3. They're normally $12 each. My personal favorite, which is the EcoTools brush set, which is empowering. It's recycled bamboo, it's eco-friendly, and it's on recycled paper. Anyone who wears makeup can always use brushes, so it's a really surefire gift. The Essential Beauty Mask Trio. Korean beauty is really often not cruelty-free, but this one is. We've got a retinol mask for aging and wrinkling, clarifying mask for acne, and a moisturizing vitamin E mask for scars and hydration. On top of that, the Juice Beauty Lip Trio. Naturally a little bit plumping, natural pigment, so that you're not eating anything toxic. Last but not least, the most luxurious gift, an Yvonne lipstick set. This is the one that I half dropped off of the balcony. This is like the cruelty-free, better quality version of the Kylie lip kit. And it comes with a hydrating liquid lipstick and a more waxy lip liner to keep on all day. I hope you enjoyed. Check out the live stream. I'll post it somewhere, either here in the description. And now I'm gonna get out of my wonderful little blanket updo. I may or may not have fallen asleep on a couch. They're playing a Swedish game, which is like a Christmas game where you make words, you combine 2 words together to make a new one that's all in Swedish, so I have no idea what's going on. This is epic. Vegan cheesecake and date bottles. My eyeliner may be ruined, but I am happy. Hi, bonus! Love me! Bonus points! Bonus points! I'm saying goodnight. I'm washing off my makeup. I'm so tired. I have a meetup tomorrow, so I want to make sure that I am refreshed. I'm gonna go to bed and see if this on and off napping plus a full night of sleep means I will be awake and alert for tomorrow. I love you. I hope you're having a great day. Remember to wash the dirt off of your face, and I will see you all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye! There's flowers, it's so pretty. My middle name is Rose, and these aren't roses, but they're flowers. It's like a garden in your bathroom. How about it?